Hello, my friends. Today we're going to learn what the sounds are and actions are for our digraphs. So here we have CH, and CH makes ch. So remember, CH makes ch like a chugging train. So we move our arms just like this. Ch, 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 ch. We have SH. SH makes shh. Think of the school librarian, and she tells you to be quiet, and she goes shh. TH makes th. So you got to get your tongue really close to your tip of your teeth and go like thumb. We have WH. WH makes w. And we think of what? W, w, like in whale. We have CK, and CK makes k, like in kick. So think of k. We have PH, and that makes f, like in phone. It's the same sound as in fish, but we are going to remember phone. Those are our sounds for digraphs.